today I feel like playing a game on Roblox. So let's see what games we have here. Let's see. Let's see what we have for Roblox. Hopefully there's some good games out. Hopefully. That's mine. Oh, I think we should play Pokemon Bronze. And hello guys, it's your boy Wolf Slayer 3. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. If I see you give that like, I will give a thumbs up to Pokemon Bronze and make more videos of me getting deeper. First, I have on my other account, but our other account got hacked, so I guess we have a new account. So Wolf Slayer 3YT. Let's get into the game. And hopefully you like this video because I haven't posted much today. So I never did a live stream before, that's one thing. But if I ever do a live stream, I hope y'all join. And thanks for the 20 subscribers. Let's try to get 30 or 50. Let's try to get 30 or 50. That's gonna be 30 subscribers, bro. Okay? So hopefully you like this journey I'm going to go. This video is going to be 15 minutes, but I'm trying to make this video as long as I can. So yeah, on Spinomatics, I'm not trying to pay pay. So we just have to pay one too. You know we gotta hear the Pokemon music. Alright, so you see we the bronze there, click the play. New game. You probably seen in my other videos, I kinda deleted some videos while I'm at it. You see my stuff is loading in. Loads in slow, but it just takes the time. So yeah. So here's the cave where she's going. My mom and dad are living. Spoil it first, but I won't play it yet. If you have, you probably passed it. Me, I don't think I'm gonna be trading into the second gym. I'm just gonna start trading. I might not. Yeah. Actually, I probably will. Yeah, I won't. So, we're sleeping. The time is going. Let me just pick this a little bit upwards. Oh, wait. Alright. All the ones today is coming in. Well, I've just forgot. I have to use my finger. I don't really know what to pick, so guys, I'm just gonna pick mine. Leave a comment down below what name should I pick for my name. I could rename myself. That's the best one. But now I'm gonna put in my I'm just gonna put in I see there. Let's go put that in. Let's see. Summary notes. After you will be able to trade battle and each other after receive the first gym badge. Your progress is not saved. It must be able to save the menu or enable the auto save from the option menu. Pokemon Pokemon still developing. The bugs will here on the other way to fix the random detail find it. Let's just skip this because we just got 4 minutes out of it. So we walk. I played this before, so leave humans. I'm not. I might want to get a little bit more Robux, right? I'm going to be able to pick into a lot of starters. I'm going to pick up a lot. Come back to this area. I could have did that, but my account got hacked. So, alright, let me go find my parents, which I already know where they are. Alright, I'm back here. I just have to go do something real quick. So, let's go over here. 5 minutes already past this video. Well, I'll talk the take on this. Keep these secrets for everyone to be safe. Alright, it's dangerous for anyone to go down here. I don't think we should tell anybody about this. Maybe we can tell about you, Professor. Maybe you're right. Oh, you startled me. Hey, champ. Today is your day you get your first Pokemon. We are so happy for you, sweetie. Sorry we didn't meet you at home. I just discovered that was just your mom and I really thought. Right, and then we can help Professor off. Right. First Pokemon. Well, let's see if he's there. Go, gotta keep up with me and Daddy. Go. Yeah, leave a comment for my new name and which starter. What should I pick when I get Roblox? For now, I don't have it right now. I just bought it. T-shirts, but I didn't buy any pants. I'm sorry. Don't regret me. Don't. I regret buying two shirts. Let's just talk to this guy. Yeah. Over 50 reports and working in that middle nation. Still in the middle. Pikachu. Here we are. Hello, my name is Professor I am the new professor in Minky's town. I'll bet you're Workspace 3 YT. Your parents were telling me about you. You must be very excited to get your first Pokemon today. There are a few things you must know about Pokemon first. Pokemon are our friends and we grow alongside them. Oh my god. They grow in the IE class, and some kids evolve and change form as we battle with them. Sorry. Your Pokemon will grow love you as the adventure with them. Oh, that's cool. I never knew that before. Yes, there are still many things that we do not know about Pokemon. Worslayer, I want to like too. I want you to know that you in real life. And company you adventure. Twist at least 21 different breeds. Go ahead now. Me, let's see what they have. This is the first pick. They have Region 1. They have Region 1. Bulbasaur, Charmander, and Squirtle. Next one, Chikorita, and Cyndaquil, and Totodile. And this is going to be Mudkip, I forgot this kid, Turchip, and Trico. So me, have the other. I just don't want to waste time into the video. Alright, so I'm going to pick Charmander. You know what's up, Charmander. Exact choice. Your new Pokemon is so cute. It's different kind of the battle and battle. I hope our Pokemon come and friends like we are. Already, many challenges awaits you. I'll give you a gift with the way. This is the Pokedex. Electronic. I don't even know what to say. I'm just gonna do it. Me, I might just keep. I mean him about the battle. Hey, Wolfslayer 3YT. Wait up. We have Pokemon now. Let's battle. This is the reason why I picked Charmander. You know what? Because he learns Ember. Because he knows Ember already. No, he doesn't. I'm so dumb. I've played this for years. Oh my lord! Are you gonna tell me that a Eevee is going to? I'm done. Charmander. Alright, I got this. We got this, Charmander. We got this, alright? We got this. Let's show him what we got. Let's show him what we got. I don't like doing accuracy. If I use accuracy too much, it's gonna make me slow down and all that stuff with my attack. As long as he keep on doing that, I'm good. Let's go. We got this, Charmander. Nobody can take us on like this. No. No! Charmander. Next time. Maybe next time. Nice fighting. Here, let me hear your Pokemon. Warlord, that was a nice battle. Your father and I watch you discussing things, Professor. You are proud, but it's still a Pokemon. Blah, blah, blah. I can just skip this. If you want me to make an animated Roblox, I can make a music video if y'all want me to. I can make anything if y'all want me to. The only thing's gonna have to be, it's not gonna be very good for my side for I'm really talking about all street on my roof just like a comment on I hate this going side. No, it's clickbait. Clickbait. I'm sorry. Clickbait. No, it's not clickbait. That's copyright. Copyright. No. Okay, I guess I gotta fit that out. I don't know what I'm saying, well. Clickbait. I'm not doing clickbait. I'm sorry. YouTube, don't ban me. No. Don't be salty just like Roblox is. No. Alright. Now we go around. Train. That's it. This is how Celestin does this. Alright, I'm not the only person. This guy, good luck on your adventure out there. If your Pokemon need a quick healing, talk to me. Alright, I got you. Oh, who is these Team Clips? None of your business. We're just hanging in. Oh, what are you looking at, kid? Are you a little kid? Fletchling? That's the most goodest Pokemon I never saw. What am I saying? It's only 2 levels. I can't kill it. It can't faint, bro. I swear, if a Fletchling kills you, I'm done. I'm not running from this battle. I've got to catch this Fletchling. You are joking! Right. Trying to make this you. 5 Pokeballs. So 1, 2. We caught it. Yay! Leave a comment what I should name it. Maybe Charmander and Fletchling. I want to know. Y'all, shout out to y'all, whoever sent me the person. Never mind. I don't even know what I'm about to say. Lag right there. I just saw a whole bunch of lag. I didn't hear your talk. Fletchling R. Let me just go against this guy so I can get Ember. Hopefully we can end this battle and end the video here. So, if you haven't, I'm gonna do this later. You Screech! Tackle! Alright, this is the last battle of this video for now. No. Just beat this. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up to it. Leave a like. What should I name the Charmander and the Fletchling? And I guess I see you later. Bye.